Okay, so just actually entered the HyperX Arena here at CES 2026 to check out this brand new laptop. This is the new HyperX OMEN MAX 16, and now OMEN is joining the HyperX family as its gaming PC category underneath the HyperX brand, because previously HyperX known a lot for their peripherals. I have a ton of their mice. I think I actually have this exact microphone as an example. So now every time you see HyperX and OMEN, that kind of pertains to their monitors and PCs. So over on to this new beast. Like I mentioned, this guy is their new flagship. It's their most powerful gaming PC for the year. So this is actually the industry's first TGP laptop. You essentially get desktop level performance in the form factor of a laptop. It essentially stands for total graphics power. So this delivers up to 300 watts of total platform power, an additional 50 watts and 20% increase over the previous gen. And this is powered by the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series laptop GPUs. So you get lightning fast performance for gameplay. And we actually checked out some of the benefits and improvements from NVIDIA earlier on in the show. And they kind of showcased to us the new DLSS 4.5. You can now get higher frame gen up to 6x, and a lot of the finer details that you see when gaming are sharper, better lighting conditions. With path tracing, you get better reflections, better detail in some of the background objects. It still has full ray tracing, neural rendering technologies for all the games that you end up playing. And obviously, if you grab this new laptop like this year, all the new games that come out, you will get the best performance. It was really cool to see some of the demos comparing, with some of the new features, both on and off. It makes games way more immersive and obviously just more realistic. There's this really promising game called Pragmata, which is coming out in the spring, and the gameplay and world looked incredible, and you could run it on this HyperX OMEN 16 at maxed out settings. But to the actual laptop and design itself, the design is really professional and sleek in this matte black / dark gunmetal finish with the HyperX logo on the front lid. It has this RGB light bar underneath, and that's one of the visual indicator differences between this and the OMEN 15, which we'll get to in a second. It feels really sturdy and premium. There's no weird flex or shift in the chassis. The hinge feels nice and strong, and there's no weird wiggle. And onto the inside, it has a full RGB keyboard, and this is actually the first laptop with HP's 1000 hertz polling rate keyboard. And if you don't know what that is, it's essentially how quickly a keyboard sends a key press to the computer. Typically 1000 hertz or 1 millisecond is the standard for competitive gaming, which obviously this is who this laptop is targeted towards. And as a reference, 125 hertz or 8 mils is kind of common for basic tasks, for things like typing. The screen is a 16:10 aspect ratio, up to 2.5K OLED with 240 hertz and 500 nits of brightness. When you spec the laptop, you can go either the Intel or AMD route, and up to the NVIDIA RTX 5090 laptop GPU that has 24 gigs of VRAM. It can get up to 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM and up to a 2x2 terabyte SSD. And to the ports, on one side it has a USB-A, 2 Type-C Thunderbolt ports, and a headphone jack, and on the other side it has another USB-A, and on the back it has the power input along with HDMI 2.1 and a LAN port. It also has a redesigned fan on the inside, which they call the OMEN Tempest Cooling Pro system. So it features a third fan and an automated fan cleaning technology that improves cooling efficiency. This is of course great to keep performance high when the device is being used to max settings, which essentially means when you're gaming something a bit more hardcore, you can kind of keep performance at a steady level so it doesn't throttle. But in a nutshell, that is the new HyperX OMEN MAX 16. On to say the 15-inch, which is down this way. Obviously this one's a bit of a smaller form factor with the 15 inches, and it comes with up to the RTX 5070. Still can get really decent gameplay out of this. So this laptop is designed for people that want something that's still really powerful without that huge cost for the top spec rig. Honestly, if you're an FPS player, you play lighter games that aren't as demanding, you want maybe a bit of a higher frame rate, someone that's a casual gamer, this thing is perfect. So instead of the 300 watts power like the OMEN 16, this gets up to 170 watts. They have something called OMEN Unleashed mode that allows you to overclock your device. Other than the graphics card, I mentioned you can spec that up to the RTX 5070 series of laptop GPUs. This one can spec up to 32 gigs of RAM, a terabyte SSD. The screen technically can also be spec'd with a high-res display up to 3K 120 hertz, or you can opt for a 2.5K IPS panel with 180 hertz. Really depends if you want to maximize your frame rates. And the keyboard also isn't as good as the OMEN 16. It has a polling rate of 8,000 hertz. But once again, don't let those numbers fool you. This is still a really good keyboard unless you are a true pro gamer and you really rely on that response time to be the sharpest that it can be. On this, we have a USB-A and LAN port on one side, power input, another USB-A and a headphone jack on the other side. And on the back, it has one Type-C and an HDMI 2.1 port. And lastly, like I said, also announced are a couple peripherals, a couple displays. So right over here is actually a a 27 inch, but the main star is the HyperX OMEN OLED 34 inch. So that's actually a curved panel. It's got a 360 hertz refresh rate. Obviously you have all the benefits of OLED, but if you are really into like professional gaming, probably the 27 inch one, probably the one that you're gonna go for. But anyways, I'll talk about that a bit more in depth. So this is their first OLED ultra wide with a next gen OLED panel that almost completely eliminates text frenzying and provides better color, better HDR, and all the benefits of OLED that you know, like really dark blacks, really great contrast ratios, and just great for overall consumption and of course gaming. It also has a 360 hertz refresh rate. It features this rail system that runs all the way around the panel, and you can attach extra accessories to it, some of them which you see here at the booth. Spec-wise, it supports AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync and covers 99% of the DCI-P3 color space, meaning you can use it for more than just gaming. It's great for creative tasks, really awesome for creators and just generally anyone that wants a sweet ultra wide that you can use for multiple things. But that's pretty much all the announcements and cool updates, new laptops from HyperX OMEN. Let me know which one you would prefer, the 16 inch, the flagship, the 15 inch, even some of the gaming monitors, maybe getting them into the studio for full use and full testing. If there's any games that you're excited to kind of test out by 2026, I'm saying it like it's already here. Let me know down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed some of my CES coverage. Catch you in the next one.